Around the corner, you better peel your eyes and keep looking over your shoulder, cause you'll never be alone. Prepare for the horrors, this night will